Some of the factors that can cause your fish not to eat. This is a question that somebody asked on one of my videos, and I said that I'm going to answer the question. So in the next few minutes, you're going to be discussing some factors that can cause your fish not to eat. So sit tight and listen to me very well. This video, I've done it before, so I will place the video somewhere here. So after this video, just click on this link and then go and watch the video so that you get more insight about the factors that causes fish not to eat. The only thing I want you to do for me is just to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop the video, you will see it, and also give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much. So let's discuss the factors that can cause your fish not to eat, and I'm going to be explaining some of them so that you will understand it better. So the first thing that I want to talk about is a poor quality feed. You see, one thing about catfish is that whatever you give catfish, they will eat. Anything you drop, they will eat it. But the question is it okay for them? Will it satisfy them at that moment? If I drop a leaf here now, they will still eat it. If I drop this leaf here, I don't know about this one. No. Let me give them the one I know. So let's try this bitter leaf. If I give them this thing, they're going to eat it. You see, they are eating it. Have you seen it? They are eating it. So when you buy a feed and give them, they are going to eat it for some time. Maybe if you drop the first day, the second day, the third day, they eat it. If the quality of that feed is poor, how you will notice is that they will eat it the first day. The second day, they will not eat more. That's how they'll be reducing the quantity that they eat. So if you change feed from the one that you've been using before and go and buy low quality feed, they will eat it at that moment. But after some time, they might be running away from it. Or if they eat small, they will leave the rest. They might not be eating enough quantity again. And by so doing, you are starving the fish. And again, if that feed has spoiled, sometimes you check the expiring date is still intact, but the feed has spoiled. Especially if it was not stored very well. The feed will change taste, and even the smell will also change entirely. So when you feed your fish, they will be running away from it. They will not eat. If you drop it, they will just pick it small and then leave the rest for you. So this is how you know poor quality feed. If you feed them, they will eat. But after some time, they will stop eating. Then change the feed. Go for a better feed and feed them. So try and give your fish quality feed. Now, another thing that will cause your fish not to eat is poor quality water, dirty water. When there is no enough oxygen in the water, it can cause your fish not to eat. When they are struggling to get oxygen, they are gasping for oxygen. It is when you have oxygen that you eat. Take for example, this water now is already dirty, and if you watch, some of them are even gasping for air. Of course, definitely I'm going to change the water today. But if I leave this water today, if I did not change this water today, and I did not change it tomorrow, they will stop eating. They will not feed well. So as it is now, I must change this water today. If I don't change it, I'm going to cause problem for them. So when you notice this kind of a thing, change your water and give them a fresh water. As you can see, this one is clean. I just changed this one yesterday. So dirty water can cause your fish not to eat. Now I'm going to drop feed for this fish now. Let's see their reaction. Let me show you how they should be reacting whenever you drop feed. That is the feed. Watch. Now listen. This is how they should be acting. This is how they should be reacting each time you drop feed. Let me drop this one here, even though that the water is dirty. Did you see what happened there? Do you notice what happened there? They are not reacting like this one, which means that water is dirty. That is what I'm telling you. Whenever you notice this kind of thing, change your water. If your water is dirty, they will not eat very well. So another factor that can cause your fish not to eat is if the pond is no longer conducive for them. If they are not feeling secure inside the pond. Each time you come to the pond, they will just rush under the water. I've done a video on how to feed your fish if your fish are running away from you, I will put the video up here. So try and watch the video so that you know how to control it, how to bring them back to eat again. So if your fish are running away from you, they will not eat very well. And remember, if your fish did not eat, they will not grow. That's one of the things that people don't know. If they don't eat, they will not grow. The more feed you give them, the more chances of growing faster. Do you understand? So feed your fish very well. Try and make sure that you are not scaring your fish. Stop causing anything that will vibrate around the pond or hitting the pond. It will make them to run away from you. And when you drop feed, they will run away. Another factor that can cause your fish not to eat is overcrowding, overstocking. Some people fill their pond with fish, thinking that the more fish, the more money. There are so many disadvantages associated with overcrowding. The worst thing that can happen to a farmer is to fill your pond with fish that is bigger than the pond. That is, the number of fish that you put inside your pond is bigger than what the pond can contain. Is the worst thing that the farmer will do. And it can cause so many things in your pond. It can cause your fish to start dying. That's the first thing that you notice. They will start dying. They will start contacting disease. Regularly, the water will be polluted. You might change the water now, and the next day, the water is already dirty. There is nothing you will do about it. So the only solution is just to separate, space them. When you space them, they will eat very well, and the water will stop polluting faster. So when you overcrowd your fish, they will pollute the water. And when they pollute the water, they will stop eating. So find out if you have overcrowded your pond. If the density that you stock is high, is bigger than your pond can contain. So try and work on it. Water temperature is another thing that can cause your fish not to eat. When farmers experience this more is during harmattan, when the weather is too cold. But after some time, it will stay normalized. So this particular factor is not common. It's not. It doesn't always disturb farmers. There are other things that can cause your fish to not to eat, but these particular ones I mentioned now are the major ones that most farmers experience. So as a farmer, if you know other factors that can cause your fish not to eat, if you can share it on the comment section so that others will as well learn. And if you have any question, just drop it at the comment section. We'll answer you. If I don't answer you there, I will bring it up like this and then explain better for everybody to learn. Thank you very much. Help me subscribe to this channel. See you in our next video. Bye bye.